Cat Perez. Oh, dang it. What's up, Cat Perez? Hi. Dang it again. I'm like, what's his name? Dionysus or whatever. That dude who just kept pushing the boulder up the fucking hill. Damn it. How did that even happen? Yeah, what's that dude's name? Dionysus or whatever. His whole job was to just keep pushing that boulder up the mountain. Fuck. For no reason. Like that was just his whole existence. That's what I'm doing with this shit. Fuck. Alright, one more. Hey. One hand, by the way, because I'm holding the phone. Cat Perez. Say goodnight, baby foofin'. Night night.